They say every man's journey is written before he even takes his first step. I know. But sometimes life blesses you with a guide, a hand to hold, a voice to follow, a path walked that makes it easy for you to follow. For 4 decades now, I've stood under the guidance, learning not to only make great films, but to respect people, respect the art. And I will give that honor to no other person than my father, my teacher. Daddy,
ẹ káàbọ̀ sí orí ètò jẹ́ Fowólẹ́wà TV. Ṣé dáadáa ni mo bá yín? Yorùbá bọ̀, Yorùbá ní òǹbí kò tó òǹwo ni. Yorùbá ní ọpọlọ tó pọ̀. Ẹ̀yin náà ẹ wo Fẹ́mi Adebayo nínú fídíò yẹn. Ṣé rí bí Fẹ́mi Adebayo ṣe eulogize bàbá ẹ̀? Ṣé ti rí ẹni tí fídíò yìí ò bá inspire as a parent or as parent? Mi rò pé anything tún wà tó lè inspire irú ẹni bẹ́ẹ̀. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, torí pé ẹni tó bá ṣe nǹkan dáadáa, ẹ jẹ́ ká sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ẹ̀. You see, it is not all about just giving birth. You see, it is not all about just bringing children to this world. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, any goat can bear children. Anybody ló lè bímọ. As long as tó bá ti wà fertile, yes. Anybody can be a father, anybody can be a mother. It is not everybody that can train a child properly. Look at what Femi Adebayo said in that video. He said for 4 decades, 40 years, that he has been under the tutelage, under the umbrella of experience of his father. That everything he has been doing, everything, right from when he was young. Look at how successful Femi Adebayo has turned out. Can you imagine? Femi Adebayo in this country now, as a matter of fact, let me say in Africa, he is one of the leading filmmakers we have in Africa right now. I am telling you. Look at what happened at the last AMVCA. He won the best actor in a leading role at the AMVCA. That is about the most coveted award in the whole of Africa, as long as, movie is concerned. Do you get? It is not a small feat. And the last time when he won that award, do you know what he did? As Omoto Mori, he took that award flag to his father. He took it to his father for more blessing. Mo de man song gbogbo gba. Mo man sọ pé as a man, as a boy, you are a complete reflection of your father. Yes. Òun ló máa fi ń dá as parents. Ẹ jẹ́ ká mọ̀ nǹkan tá à ń ṣe, especially táwọn ọmọ wa bá ti wà around wa. Òbí mi báyìí, ó máa wà ńlé. Ìgbà ló máa rántí pé òun fẹ́ bẹ́ná sí sìgá. Ìgbà ló máa rántí pé kán bá òun kọ́ ọtí yẹn wá kóun nọsẹ̀ sórí tébù kán bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní máa gé. I'm not against drinking. I'm not against, whatever. But what I'm saying is, there should be a line. There should be a line that you should not cross whenever your children or your child is around you. Because àwọn ọmọ yẹn, nǹkan tó ń ṣe làwọn ọmọ yẹn ń wò. Ìwọ làwòkọ́ṣe fáwọn ọmọ yẹn. Look at Femi Adebayo now. His father has been in the entertainment industry for the past 60 years. Iṣẹ́ tíyàn bá ń ṣe, tíyàn bá fi ojú ọmọ tó, òòṣà tíyàn bá ń sìn, tíyàn bá jẹ́ kí ọmọ yẹn kó wà rí ẹ̀ nípa ẹ̀, kọ́mọ yẹn mọ̀ nípa ẹ̀, òòṣà bẹ́ẹ̀ máa ń parun ni. Báwọn Yorùbá ṣe máa ń sọ nìyẹn. Look at Femi Adebayo today. See, Femi Adebayo that you see today, that success is not a coincidence. Femi Adebayo's success is not a coincidence. As a matter of fact, anybody, Tebari, the success is not a coincidence. These people have worked, they have toiled, they have put in a lot of sacrifices, a lot of blood and sweat before they get to where they are right now. So, as a parent, as a father, I saw that video. I was very moved. I was like, wow. That video got me emotional. I was like, yes, if Adebayo could do it, I will do it. Yeah, because I have my own children too. Do you get? But kò kí n ṣe fẹnu sọ lásán. Mo sọ pé anybody lè bímọ. Òǹbí kò tó òun wo ni. Anybody lè bímọ. Because some people, they will say, I have a lot of businesses to attend to. I need to be in California for a business meeting. I need to go to Paris for a business meeting. I need to do this one. I'm not always around. You know, my children, they are with the grandma. They are with the grandpa. My grandma will take care of them. Bobo. So, ti rí ọmọ tí yóò kọ́. Àwọn ilé tó kọ́ tó ń jọ ẹ́ lójú yẹn, àwọn ọmọ yẹn ló máa padà gbé ta o. Kò kí n ṣe pé o. It's just the reality. Sometimes it comes off like negative. It's not negative. It's just the reality. Ọmọ tí yẹn ò tọ́, òun ló máa padà máa da gbogbo àwọn ọmọ tọ́tọ́ láàmú. Gbogbo àwọn tá à ń rí ní orí títì, àwọn area boys tí wọ́n níṣẹ́ tí wọ́n nílé jẹ́ pé èmi crime ló ń ṣe lórí títì yẹn. Èèyàn kan ló bí gbogbo wọn. Àwọn èèyàn kan ló bí gbogbo wọn náà. Most of them wọ́n tọ́ wọn ni. Ẹlòmíì báyìí, ọmọ méjì péré lágbára ẹ̀ ká láti tọ́. Financially, socially, morally. Àwa bímọ mẹ́jọ. A ti wá fò lọ sí another street. A ti lọ fẹ́ lòmíì, a ti lọ wọ́n ọmọ míì dálẹ̀ síbẹ̀. Àwa máa pòwe kan, a máa fi dùn rẹ̀ nú múgùn. Àwa máa ní iye ọmọ tí èèyàn bá bí ló máa wọ yàrá ẹ̀. Iye ọmọ tí ayé ìgbà yẹn nìyẹn o, ayé ìgbà táwọn bàbá yẹn máa ń dáko. Ní ayé tá wà yìí, iye ọmọ tó bá tọ́ ló máa wọ yàrá ẹ̀. Ṣé rí Fẹ́mi Adebayo? Bàbá ẹ̀ tọ́. Bàbá Adebayo ó tọ́ gbogbo àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ lọ́n ṣe ń wọ yàrá ẹ̀ lọ́n ṣe ń wọlé ẹ̀ ṣàtìlẹ́ àwọn méjèèjì. So àwọn òbí kan tí wọ́n wà tó wà very useless. Wọ́n máa sọ pé tókété bá dàgbà ọmọ ẹ̀ ló máa ń mu. Ṣé òkété tí ò tọ́ báwo lọmú ẹ̀ ṣe fẹ́ sẹ̀ débi pé ó máa wá lọ mọ ọmú ẹ̀? Àwọn òbí mi báyìí wọn kì í ṣe handicap o, wọn kì í ṣe less privilege o, wọn kàn useless. Wọ́n máa sọ fúnra wọn pé ọmọ ò lè tó gọ̀lọ̀tọ̀ báyìí, ọmọ mi kò tí ọmọ ẹlòmíì ò tí ì yan kókó láyà báyìí o. A ti ní kí ni wọ́n ń ṣe? Ṣé bó yẹ káwọn ọkùnrin ti máa fún wọn lówó? Àwọn òbí mi wà bẹ́ẹ̀, àwọn useless òbí mi wọ́n wà bẹ́ẹ̀. Wọ́n máa ti ọmọ yẹn lọ sọ́dọ̀ ọkùnrin kó lọ máa mówó wá. Òbí mi ọmọ ẹ máa jáde alẹ́ ní 10:30 11 ló máa ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ máa múra, ló máa ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ máa kun makeup, ó ń lọ club. Tí ọmọ yẹn bá dé lọ́jọ́ kejì, a máa sọ fọ́mọ yẹn pé àti ìjẹun látàlẹ́ àná kí ló bá wa rà wá? Ọmọ tó múra tó ṣe makeup tí kò ṣe pé bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ ṣiṣẹ́ ní báǹkì lóru, tí kò ṣe pé bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ ṣiṣẹ́ ní company kan lóru o, ó ń lọ sí club lójú yín. Ó dẹ̀dẹ̀ láàárọ̀ ọjọ́ kejì. Ẹ wá ń béèrè pé ṣé kò bá yín ra nǹkan bọ̀ tó ẹ̀yin ò tí ì jẹun látàlẹ́ àná. Àwọn òbí kan nìyẹn náà. Àwọn òbí mi wọ́n máa sọ fún ọmọ pé ó ò lè tó gọ̀lọ̀tọ̀ báyìí kó má ti máa mówó wálé. Ọmọ wa di ẹrù ilé ọmọ yẹn lórí, ọmọ yẹn á máa kiri lọ. Àwọn wà ní ṣiṣẹ́ kọ̀ọ̀kan mọ́, ọmọ wa nọsẹ̀ sórí tébù báyìí. Ọmọ wa ní tókété bá dàgbà ọmọ ẹ̀ ló máa ń jẹ. Ọmú yẹn ó máa ha yín lọ́fun. Ọmú yẹn máa padà ha yín lọ́fun ni. Torí pé ẹ kàn enslave àwọn ọmọ ọlọ́mọ ni. Ẹ kàn káwọn ọmọ yẹn wá sílé ayé láti wá fìyà jẹ wọ́n. Lè máa fi ráwọn ọmọ míì kò tí tó èjì kankan, wọ́n kàn máa kiri káàkiri. See, I know what it takes. Mo mọ nǹkan tó tèkì láti kiri. That is, ó máa rìn láti local government kan lọ sí local government míì. Ẹsẹ̀ ni o ló máa trek ló máa gbẹ́rù sórí. Àwa yìí ti ta ice cream rí, so mo mọ bó ṣe I know how it works. Do you get? Àwọn òbí mi very that useless. Wọ́n máa gbọ́jà lọ́mọ lórí ọmọ míì tí ò tí mọ kankan. Ọmọ tí ò tí gbò, wọ́n máa gbọ́jà lé lórí. Ọmọ yẹn á máa kiri, àwọn máa wá jókòó sínú ilé. Wọ́n máa bára wọn sùn. Àwọn ọkọ àti ìyàwó mi wà bẹ́ẹ̀, wọ́n máa jókòó sínú ilé, wọ́n máa bára wọn sùn, wọ́n máa retí kọ́mọ yẹn kó dé láti ibi tó ti kiri lọ. Ọmọ mi ò tí ò bá tà, àwọn òbí yẹn wọ́n á na orí ẹ̀ máa bó. Àwọn òbí mi they are that useless. Yes, àwọn òbí mi they are that useless. Lè máa fi ń rí wípé a lot of times ọmọ mi bọ́n ṣe bí báyìí wọ́n ti bí ògo mọ́. Wọ́n ti bí ògo mọ́, but ògo yẹn náà kò kí n ṣe pé sí ògo is like a diamond in the dirt. Kò kí n ṣe pé bóyá diamond yẹn kàn máa diamond táwọn àríta máa ń lò chain tó máa gold diamond inú ẹrọ̀fọ̀ ló ti mú gbogbo ẹ̀ jáde. Kò kí n ṣe pé diamond kàn jábọ́ látòrí igi wọ́n kàn sọ di gold wọ́n dẹ̀ sọ di dá wọ́n dẹ̀ gbé sọ́run. Ọmọ mi ògo ni ògo ayérayé bó torí pé àwọn òbí ẹ̀ they were not there to nurture the glory. Ọmọ yẹn máa bá padà dàgbà á wá lọ máa ṣe ẹrú lábẹ́ ẹni tí kò lógo tí ò tẹ̀ lógo tó rárá. Màá fún yín láwọn instances kọ̀ọ̀kan. Ṣé Davido tẹ́ ń wò yẹn bàbá ẹ̀ sọ́pọ́tì Davido bàbá ẹ̀ sọ́pọ́tì débi gẹ́. Look at Davido today. The baba is a billionaire o, but Davido gangan fúnra rẹ̀ billionaire ni. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, he's making his own money. Yàtọ̀ sówó family, he's making. Torí pé àwọn bàbá yẹn, irú àwọn bàbá Davido yẹn wọ́n tọ́ wọn dáadáa. It's not all about money and tamọ́ kan fi yẹn ṣe instance ni. Ẹ wo Femi Adebayo. The father has been there for him right from the get-go. 40 years in the industry, 40 years in the entertainment industry, under the experience, under the umbrella of his father. The father did not say, ọmọ ajogun kọ́mọ tó jogun máa jọgbọ̀n. Oga Bello did not say that. Oga Bello did not say that. Yes, ọmọ mi báyìí ológo ni. Ẹ wo Femi Adebayo yẹn. Look at how successful he is. Bàbá ẹ̀ train ní ẹ̀ ní kòkò déédéé fò lọ mú success yẹn lórí igi wọ́n train ní ẹ̀ ní. So when you are a father, when you are a mother, you owe that your child, those your children, the responsibility to train them through life. Tó máa fi débi tó ń lọ. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni àwọn òbí kan tẹ̀ useless táwọn máa ti bímọ báyìí wọ́n tẹ̀ ń fò lọ ní àwọn tẹ̀ kí ń wẹ̀yìn. Àwọn òbí kan wà wọn kì í wẹ̀yìn rárá. Wọ́n máa sọ pé Ọlọ́run ló máa ń wo ọmọ wèrè. Àwọn òbí kan máa ń sọ̀rọ̀ rádaràdà bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. Wọ́n máa ní Ọlọ́run ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ rí ó láwọn òwe Yorùbá kan. Yorùbá as a culture, Yorùbá as a tribe is the most intelligent black tribe in the whole wide world. Mo respect Yorùbá. Yorùbá àwa la lọ́gbọ́n jù. We are the most sophisticated black tribe in the world. Eléyìí ò ń sọ̀rọ̀ being tribalistic. Bákan sọ pé Jeff wà tribalistic. I'm telling you the truth. We are the most educated black tribe in the world. But ó wá ní àwọn òwe kan tó jẹ́ pé àwọn òwe yẹn máa ń àwọn òwe yẹn dáa but àwọn òbí kan máa ń twist òwe yẹn wọ́n máa ń lò in a wrong way. Nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ gangan nìyẹn. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni bọ́rọ̀ yẹn ṣe ní gangan nìyẹn. Ọmọ mi òun logo ògo ìdílé yẹn. But torí pé àwọn parents ẹ̀ were not there for him or her. Àìmọye ọmọ tá máa ń rí tẹ́ pé school báyìí wàá rọ́ ọmọ mi ó tẹ̀ ní ọmọ kan tí èèyàn kan mọ̀ ní school kan tó ti ń teach ó ní ọmọ yẹn obìnrin ni ọmọ yẹn brilliant débi pé as a teacher kan tó kọ topic sórí bọ́ọ̀dù báyìí ọmọ yẹn ti ń fún definition kìíní yẹn lẹ́sẹ̀kẹsẹ̀ topic tó wọ́n kan wọ́n rí. Guess what? Bàbá àti ìyá ti jà, ìyá ti lọ fẹ́ lómi, wèrè tí ìyá lọ fẹ́ ó maltreat ọmọ yẹn ẹni yẹn sọ fún mi pé ibi tọ́mọ yẹn brilliant dé kánú ọmọ yẹn orí ẹni tó nurture ẹ̀ tó kọ́ tó train ẹni ọmọ yẹn scholarship Cambridge lọ́mọ yẹn máa ti lọ parí degree ẹ̀. I'm telling you ó ní ọmọ yẹn kò lè lo primary school Nàìjíríà ó máa win scholarship ni from secondary school another scholarship ó ń lọ sí Oxford ó ń lọ sí Ivy League lọ́mọ yẹn ń lọ. Bọ́n torí pé the father has not been there. The father ó ti ìrìn orí ibú ó ti rìn lọ. That one left the daughter, the child for the mother. The mother self òun náà ráyè òun náà ti remarry. Ẹni tó wá remarry yẹn ìyẹn ló máa ń gbé apẹ ọ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀ èso lé ọmọ yẹn lórí during school hours ọmọ yẹn á máa kiri káàkiri. Ẹni wá ní wọn pé ọmọ yóò wá school for like 3 days kò wá school wọ́n máa lọ lé wọn kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ àárọ̀ ọmọ yẹn school ó kiri ni ṣe mọ̀ pé school náà tẹ̀ ń sọ yẹn náà a máa sanwó school fees àdẹ̀dẹ̀ máa kówó ilé máa ṣe ó ní wọ́n ń tọ́ láti sọ fún ìyá ọmọ yẹn pé ọmọ yìí future ọmọ yìí bright. Gbà tó yá ẹ̀kọ́ náà ọmọ yẹn kàn wá school mọ́ làwọn bá lọ sílé màmá àwọn òrọ́ ọmọ yìí ó ti lọ gbé lọ́dọ̀ grandma ó ti lọ ń tajà lọ́dọ̀ grandma. Ọmọ yẹn òun ní ògo ìdílé wọn o ọmọ tó yẹ kó nurture kó train through school kọ́mọ yẹn kó gbàdúrà sí kọ́mọ yẹn get scholarship tọmọ yẹn bá padà ṣoríire òun ló máa padà wá la bàbá ètò useless yẹn àti ìyá tó stupid yẹn òun ló máa padà wá láwọn ká ní wọ́n train irú ọmọ yẹn ni but wọ́n train irú ọmọ yẹn see that kind of case ó pọ̀ káàkiri everywhere ló wà ọmọ tó lógo kò sóbi tó fẹ́ tọ̀ wọ́n máa fẹsẹ̀ gbálẹ̀ káàkiri gbogbo àwọn táyà rí lórí títí orí abọ́ ẹ̀ tó kàn rìn yẹn aimlessly káàkiri yẹn ògo púpọ̀ ó wà nínú wọn àwọn ọmọ lọ máa ṣe bàbá kẹ̀ bàbá o tuale yeah fáwọn tí wọ́n ní quarter ògo tán ní why because àwọn parents wọ́n fail wọn. Some parents actually prefer for everything to be about them. Some fathers, some mothers, they don't care. Bí mo ṣe wà tí àwọn ọmọ mi ò bá ti jẹun mi ì lè jẹun náà kí ni oúnjẹ wo mò ń jẹ if I'm in the house bóyá mo fẹ́ mu beverages mo ti máa ṣírò tàwọn ọmọ mi mọ́ pé beverages yìí àjọ máa la ni tí máa fẹ́ mu common soft drink àjọ máa mu because see there are a lot of things you can do there are a lot of things you can say but it is very easy to talk the talk. It is not easy to walk the walk. Yes. When you have children, having children is not the biggest deal. It is training the children that is more important. So when you say, "Mommy, grandma, I'm sending money to them now. I'm taking care of them financially." Are you actually spending quality time with them? Because the best inheritance you can give your children is that your valuable time you are sharing with them. You need to stay with them and impact knowledge into them morally, financially, socially. You need to be around your children. All these successful people. Look at Otedola now. The same Femi Otedola. Baba Femi Otedola to jẹ former governor Lagos State. Baba to dada ni. Yeah, bẹ́ẹ̀ni. Now look at Otedola's children now. Femi Otedola's, look at them. Don't train wọn ni. Kò kí n ṣe rocket science. Don't think the thing will just. Gbogbo àwọn tó wà lórí internet tí wọ́n tọ́ mọ́ gbogbo wọn là ń rí now. À ń rí báwọn ọmọ wọn ṣe ń rí à ń rí bọ́n ṣe ń turn out now. Àwọn tí wọ́n tọ́ mọ́. See, forget you might have all the millions in the world. Those ones that have all the money in this world that they did not train their children, that they did not impact the knowledge into them. We are seeing their children now. À ń rí wọn tó jẹ́ pé tó máa wọṣọ báyìí àfọyàn níta àfùmọ̀ wà nínú ilé nǹkan tọ́tọ́ ni. Yeah, see, òbí tí kò bá nẹ́kọ̀ọ́ òbí tí kò gbẹ̀kọ́ tí kò lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ òun náà nonsense lòun náà máa tọ̀ torí you cannot give what you don't have. It is what you have that you will give. Bó ṣe rí nìyẹn kò kí n ṣe rocket science. So when you máa sọ pé as a parent your children are a perfect reflection of you. Yes, your child is a perfect reflection of you. Yes. Mo ṣe máa ń sọ náà videos mi, I did not see my father at no time raise his hands on my mother or my stepmothers. I've never even heard him raise his voice on any of them. But guess what? If my father is late now. If my father was in the house, that was the only time that we put on our best behavior. Mess up. It's discipline. You need to train your children. You need to support them. Do you get? Òbí mi bó ṣe fẹ́ kọ́lé mẹ́jọ eré ẹ̀ ló máa sá kò tọ́mọ. See, o lè kọ́lé, you understand, but kọ́lé yẹn kọ́ ni kókó. Kọ́ ọmọ. Òbí mi máa kọ́ ọmọ. You see, wàá kọ́ ọmọ ẹ tó bá train wọn dáadáa. Yeah, after tó ti graduate in school, tó ti ṣe kíní. As a parent, if you have the resources, you can even empower them. When you empower them, ọ̀la ò kì í yá tíyàn bá rẹ̀ ní bálà. Do you get? You can empower your children. Those are the plans. Train them. Impact knowledge in them. So morally, they will be very upright. Lord of Baba mi o le tafele till tomorrow. Baba mi is late, but there are things I will never do. Baba mi a discipline orí ẹ máa pé. So those things that he prevented us, those ills that he prevented us from doing, till tomorrow, all of us, me and my siblings, we still talk. When we talk, you say, so lè ṣe kíní, èmi kẹ̀, mi lè ṣe. Baba, kani baba, tí baba ká mi mọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀, baba that is late o, we still talk about it. So the training that he instilled in us is still lingering in our minds. He's still guiding us through. We are doing the same thing to our children. I'm the 10th born, so you can imagine. I'm the 10th born. Yeah, my father had 4 wives. You can imagine? But we need láti tọ́mọ. Look at what Adebayo has done. Look at the rest of Adebayo's children. Look at Sadiq. Look at Femi Adebayo. Look at Tope Adebayo. Look at all of them like that. They are all successful because I know some of them. Yeah, mo ti mọ bí mẹ́fà bí márùn lára wọn that I know them one on one. No be say mo ń júwe fún mi lọ́ọ̀kan. Mo mọ Akeem. So I know them very well. I even know people that Adebayo trained. Some of them. Mo ṣe mọ Big Vi. Big Vi kan náà, the same Big Vi that lives in America now, used to live in Adebayo's house. That time, we used to be friends with Big Vi. Actually, we are still friends. But tó bá ń sọ̀rọ̀ discipline, tí Adebayo man, lè ṣe nonsense around Adebayo, aside from learning the theater work, normal upright, normal moral level, you cannot do nonsense now. It's reflecting on the lives of his children. Kò kí n ṣe rocket science. O gbọ́dọ̀ tọ́mọ. Do you get? Now, ibi tí mo wá ń gbé fídíò yìí lọ gangan ni pé, see, don't let us be selfish. We have seen a lot of selfish celebrities on this internet that all they do is take care of themselves. Take care of yourself. They will now go to parties, they will spray money, and meanwhile, their children are lacking in the house. It's not only actors now. I'm not talking actors. I'm talking celebrities now from even other sectors of entertainment industry. Not even entertainment industry alone. We have seen a lot of people on the internet that they did not take care of their children. But when you see them outside, they are living large. Some parents are that selfish. Some parents, because ó fẹ́ ra aṣọ party, kò ní ra ìwé táwọn ọmọ máa mú lọ sí school, kò ní rà. Torí she wants to meet up with the aṣọ ẹbí, and that aṣọ ẹbí is like maybe 100,000 naira, and she only have maybe 150,000 naira, and the children comes, a fẹ́ ra textbook kan, a fẹ́ sọ kíni kan, kò ní sanwó school fees yẹn, kò dẹ̀ ní ra textbook yẹn. Aṣọ ẹbí yẹn, I know some people. Aṣọ ẹbí yẹn ló máa mọ́mú láyà ẹ̀ o, party yẹn ó gbọ́dọ̀ lọ o, àfi bẹ́ẹ̀ pé tí kò bá lọ party yẹn, ayé ẹ̀ máa bàjẹ́. I know some parents like that. I'll now begin to look at them like, it's not even all about the money now. I know some people that àtijọ́ gbérí, wọ́n máa ní owó tó yẹ kán fi ṣe bẹ̀, irọ́ ni. Bọ́n torí pé ó fẹ́ lọ ṣe ṣìnà kan, I'm talking about the men now. Torí pé ó fẹ́ lọ ṣe ṣìnà kan tà, ó máa lọ gba hòtẹ́ẹ̀lì fún ṣìnà yẹn, fún sísí yẹn, ó máa jẹ kú ọbì, ó máa mu beer, you get. Kò ní fún wọn lówó ọbẹ̀ lẹ́ńlé, ó dẹ̀ máa lọ ṣe fàájì níta. Some men, a lot of men are like that. Àwọn àyà máa sọ pé ẹ jẹ́ kí n máa jẹ kọ́mọ tó jogún, èmi àti jọgbọ̀n. Wọ́n máa ń lo term yẹn, wọ́n máa ń lo terminology yẹn. Kọ́mọ tó jogún mo máa jọgbọ̀n. Some fathers are like that. Nǹkan tó bá ṣe ló máa bá, nǹkan tó bá gbìn ló máa ká. O lè gbìn àlùbọ́sà kó ní o fẹ́ ká potato, àbò fẹ́ ká apple. Kò possible. Kọ́mọ tó jogún o máa jọgbọ̀n. That connotation is a very wrong one. I did not know who coined that connotation. Kọ́mọ tó jogún o máa jọgbọ̀n. Ọmọ is everything. I'm not saying you should not take care of yourself. Do you get? But what I'm saying is the interest of the children you brought to life is very, very important too. So when you begin to say, Maloja yori mi o, some men, it is the beer parlor that you will see them now. Watching Jack Kobe, mama jẹ pepper soup, mama jẹ asun. Ọmọdé need owó tó máa mú lọ school. Wọ́n ní fún. Ani ma kọ́kọ́ take care ara mi náà, ma kọ́kọ́ ja. Ẹlòmíì àtẹ kọ́kọ́ gbé sisi lọ. Kò ní take care lé. ilé tí ò take care yẹn ó máa padà yọ́lẹ̀ fún ẹ tó bá di time kan. bíbẹ̀ tí yẹn is just the primary. Secondary tó ṣe kókó òun ni pé kẹtọ́ wọn ẹ jẹ́ ká let us learn how to, kò kí n sọ̀rọ̀ owó náà wà involved, but let us put the interest of our children first, because àwa la mú wọn wá sílé ayé. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni we have to know how we will take care of them. bó ṣe rí gangan nìyẹn, kò jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. Jeff Owólẹ́wà lórúkọ mi. Please, if you know that you have not subscribed to my channel, Jeff Owólẹ́wà TV, I beg you in the name of God, subscribe to my channel and smash that notification bell. So when my next video is popping up, you'll be the first to see it. God bless you for watching my videos. God bless you more for dropping those beautiful comments. I really appreciate you guys. Hala.